I've got about 20 years of experience in financial services, banking, payments, and technology, and I have the pleasure today of leading the product, strategy, and innovation teams at Symcor. When you think about it, payments are part of everyone's day-to-day life, whether overtly or kind of behind the scenes. You're either paying for your coffee in the morning or you're grabbing an Uber, and behind the scenes, the payment's being handled. And in that world where payments are part of either a consumer's day-to-day life or in a small business when you're paying for your vendors or receiving payments, it's increasingly important that those things happen in a frictionless way. As well, consumers demand choice, and if you're going to provide a payment that's in a more user-friendly manner, it's going to really help you retain your customers, but also acquire new ones. I think the talk of the town these days is real-time payments and instant settlement. And you can imagine the benefits that's going to drive not only for a consumer, but also for a small business, if it's a necessity for Canada to get there when so many other jurisdictions have. And so I feel like that can be really impactful. But if you don't do that in a way where trust is thought of at every step of the journey, then you're going to fall behind. And so solutions like fraud and digital identities are also going to be paramount as we move to real-time payments and settlement. I think we'll be talking about a few things at the 2026 summit. For certain, we'll be talking about AI, real-time rails, open banking, and fraud. I think fraud is paramount to enabling a frictionless customer experience when it comes to payment. Together, we're stronger. So talking about collaboration, talking about consortiums will be really important. I believe we're actually going to move beyond the talk. This is less about the theory. It's more about the practical implementations. And I'm looking forward to that as well in open banking.